Here one, I'll show you how to bypass password on your Note 7. As you can see right here, or Note 7 Fade is going to be the same thing. So make sure you power the device off completely. Then you need to hold volume up and then home button and then power on this side. So volume up, home button, and then power until it's going to get you to this. You'll see the blue recovery mode, and then keep waiting until it's going to get you to recovery mode. And then once you are in the recovery mode, you'll need to go to factory data reset. It'll delete everything off your phone. Everything will be gone. So wait until it's gonna get to that screen. Okay, once you see this screen, you'll need to press power first and then volume up, and then it's gonna get you to this screen. Wait a little bit, it's loading. Okay, here it is. Now scroll down to wipe data and factory reset. Like I say, it's gonna delete everything off your phone. Everything will be gone. So make sure before you do it, you sure you want to do it, and then press yes. And now it's gonna delete everything. It's gonna be just like new phone, and you can click to reboot system now. So as you can see, it's loading. Still loading. It'll take a little bit of extra time because it's deleted everything off the phone. Okay, here it is. As you can see, just like brand new phone. Now you can just set up, bypass all this screen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.